Today's engine calls for lower viscosity oils and longer drain intervals. So here's a new oil additive breakthrough. Introducing the new Restore Oil Additive Euro 6 for gasoline and diesel engine. For use with lower viscosity oils, it's scientifically formulated to help protect against engine wear, enhance oil durability, combat engine deposits, and helps protect the environment by reducing carbon footprints. Get extra protection and more engine power. Restore Oil Additive for gasoline and diesel engine. Go for the better. Go for Restore.